Let's unbox this new 3D printer from Creality. Okay, we see this dark soft foam packed on the top here. We got our documentation, the after sales service card, and the quick start guide. Here we have a bag of accessories with lots of different things, and let's open this bag. Okay, so we have a clean out needle that's taped, and inside, let me take this out. Okay, it's pretty nice snippers. Okay, these are zip ties. Let me remove this inside cover. Okay, let's check it out. The coil of filaments. We have some mini tools packed inside this cover. This is the knob. Okay, let me remove this small cover inside. This one is the USB adapter to micro SD card. And what I'm having here is the spare parts. Looks like a 8.4 nozzle, a coupler piece, and a little clip. 4 large bolts used to connect the gantry to the base. And let's see what else we have here. Okay, this one is a little spatula and the power cable. Okay, let me remove this part. This is a HD color screen and it's not a touch screen. However, it has a joystick kind of button at the bottom. Alright, now let me remove this first layer here, and you can see everything is nestled very nicely. We got the upper portion gantry here and the base underneath, and it's pretty simple printer to put together since we have only few parts to connect. You can see I'm still working on assembling the printer, and let me continue the same. The printer is finally assembled and it's powered up. On the right hand side you can see the small screen, and it's presently at auto home mode. This is to make sure everything works with our motors and end stop switches. You can see the movement in X and Y direction. Okay, it's time to start printing. I've initiated a print of my channel name, so it has begun printing. Presently what I'm seeing is the base slab where the fonts are going to be placed. The printing of the letters are now halfway through. Right, we can see it's almost completed and it's doing the final touch-up. So let's wait for it. Finally, my first print is completed, and you can see a little bit of manual trimming is required in the letters G, E, T, and overall it looks pretty good. Okay, now I've initiated print for the Apple logo. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the print is almost completed. We can see the Apple logo has been printed with the proper shape. It's amazing. Lastly, I'm gonna print this Apple Watch charging dock, a classic Mac appearance. I've downloaded this STL file. The only difference is I'm gonna use a gold color print instead of white, and let's see how it goes. As you can see, the print is halfway through. So let's wait till it completes. Finally, it's completed, and as always, I have to do some manual trimming, and you can see this is the gold color I was talking about. The final product is ready after trimming, and it took nearly 4 hours to complete. Let me put my Apple Watch in the slot and see how it looks. Wow, it's fantastic. You can see my Apple Watch Series 6 fits perfectly in the slot, and behind there is place to fit the charger. Now it looks like the mini vintage 1984 iMac. So having a 3D printer, you can basically print all this kind of fancy stuff. However, it's time consuming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.